Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the exact credentials and environment needed. Sign in with your corporate email and password because SSO links directly to that identity. Once done, make sure you're on a company-managed device or connected to VPN, since many SSO systems restrict access by IP. Next, open the official SSO portal URL from IT, do not guess. This step starts the only supported path to your SSO ID, so act now and avoid alternate tools that won't match the directory. Once signed in, go straight to your profile or account menu. You need the authoritative source. Look for sections labeled Account Details, Profile, or Security. SSO ID is typically under User ID, Directory ID, or similar. Click to view full details. Systems sometimes hide the ID behind a Show button for security, so reveal it. Copy the SSO ID exactly as shown, because punctuation and case can affect authentication later. If you plan to share it with IT, paste into a secure message, not chat. To finish, confirm the copied SSO ID by logging out and back in, or use it where required. This verifies accuracy. If you cannot find the ID, inspect security or developer sections for raw identifiers, because some portals separate display names from system ID. If the portal blocks you, contact IT using the support option and include device type, browser version, and timestamp. As a quick troubleshooting tip, clear browser cache or use an incognito window and corporate VPN. This resolves common visibility and access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.